Well, hello guys. In this video I'll show you how you guys can connect USB to your Volkswagen Golf, where you can basically control the music or anything you like. So first of all, head up to start your car, and here there is lots of options here. First we need to locate to the our dashboard or the screen on your car. So here what you have to do, click on the media section here, and then once you have clicked that, so it will appear like this. All right, and now what you have to do is click on the left corner here, and then you'll see an option that you can basically connect to, and here you can see USB. For now I haven't connected yet the USB, but I'll show you how to do that as well if you don't know where to connect basically. So what you have to do is, on your car, if you look just like so, nearby the gear box, here is an USB port here. So what you have to do is connect the USB here and then put on your phone or any device that you are running. Then it will basically appear there. From there you can basically control the music or anything you like. I hope this video was helpful. If you need any kind of help, you can ask me on the comment section below.